everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25 inch Android screen in a 2007 Audi Q7 with 2G MMI. That's where we put our universal lip mount camera. So this Audi Q7 came with 2G MMI. 2007 to 2009 they used 2G MMI. As you can see, that's how it looks like, and that's how it replaced the factory 7-inch screen. Just want to show you the reverse camera. By going to reverse, it's switched to backup camera. Also, it comes with dynamic parking guidelines. By touching the screen, it goes to the aftermarket mode, and we still can use the MMI knob to control the screen. I can go left and right, up and down, and I can select aftermarket nav. I can select the OBD reader for the dash, that it reads the RPM and speed of the car, or we can use the return button on MMI 2 or the knob. And by going to original, when we click on it, it goes back to the factory. Again, we go back to the aftermarket one. And that's the multimedia. We can play video from multimedia. And we can go full screen too.
Hey Roman, you freaking out? No. Yes, you are. Can somebody just walk me through what we supposed to be doing?
If you're interested to get these type of screens for your Audi Q7, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.